Hi everyone, welcome to day 5 of Glam-Mas. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out magnetic eyelashes for the first time ever. Are they actually that easy to apply? Let's find out. These are the magnetic lashes that I got from Amazon. 5 pairs. I think it was about like $20, but I'm not really sure. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This kit comes with 5 different style magnetic eyelashes, a magnetic eyeliner fluid, and eyelash tweezers. So it says for best results, shake the eyeliner for 10 to 20 times. Apply the magnetic eyeliner to the eyelids and wait for a minute to completely dry out. Then for a better effect, absorb the magnetic eyelashes onto the eyeliner with tweezers or hand to complete the wear. And this is magnetic eyelashes can only be worn once when the eyeliner is completely dry. So this is what the kit looks like. Comes with the tweezers, the 5 different eyelashes, and then the eyeliner glue, I guess you could say. So what it says to do first is to shake the eyeliner. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will zoom you all in so we can do the process together. I'm gonna do my right eye first. The eyeliner applied on one eye. So it says to wait a minute. So hey Siri, put a timer on for 1 minute.
Okay, your timer is set for 1 minute.
We're just gonna wait 1 minute. While I wait, I'm trying to figure out what lashes I should do with this look. I'm thinking I'm gonna do the third one. I'm thinking I'm gonna do these. I could go all the way and just do a really full eye look, which I think would look great with this because there's not much going on my actual lid, more so the crease area. Maybe I'll do 4. Yeah, I think I'm gonna actually do the 4th one because it's full, but it's not super heavy. So it's been 1 minute. I'm gonna use these tweezers that it came with to apply these eyelashes. I am so nervous. This is one eye done with the magnetic eyelashes. It was pretty easy to apply. I was a little worried that it wasn't completely dry because I felt like it didn't really stick on, and I was having trouble using this. I've never used tweezers like this. I usually use tweezers that you use to pluck your eyebrow hair. I could see how this could be helpful later on when I do get the hang of it. So far they feel good. I'm gonna give them a quick little tug. I think I could have even went with the crazier style because I feel like these are a little bit tame. I don't hate it. I wish the actual lash itself was just a little bit more defined, but that's just preference. I do feel like a little heaviness right here. Aside from that, from here on, I don't feel anything. Like it feels like I'm wearing nothing on my eyelashes. I'm gonna do the other one now. Then we're gonna come back and I'll show you the final look. Officially have both magnetic eyelashes on, and I definitely don't feel the same feeling that I did on this side in the front as I do on this side. This side really feels like I have nothing on. I don't know if I placed this one wrong, but I definitely do like how light they are. This is the completed look with the magnetic lashes on. Honestly, I love how easy it was to apply. I feel like I could have applied them with my fingers, which I normally don't do. I like to use a tweezer to apply my false lashes. They get sucked into the eyeliner, especially with this eye. I felt the magnetic pull. As soon as I put it really close to the line, I felt the lashes zoom onto the line and stay there, and they are stuck. I have tried to like gently pull them out, and I definitely can't. I do like how natural they are, but this look I would have preferred a bit more dramatic. Maybe I should have chosen the last layer. They're the most dramatic pair in the entire kit. You know, it is what it is, but I do really like how they feel light. These, I feel like I can keep them on for a longer period of time and feel like they're not even on my eyes. I'm actually pretty impressed by how easy that was to apply. I don't know if I'm a full converter yet from false lashes to magnetic eyelashes. These lashes are really easy to apply, and I think for people that aren't used to applying lashes, who have trouble applying false lashes, I think magnetic eyelashes are the way to go. Thank you all so much for watching this video and watching me try on magnetic lashes for the first time. Something that really irks me about false lashes is the glue remaining on my eyelashes days later. It's so hard to get it, and I don't want to pull on my lashes to remove the glue. Ugh. So if this can eliminate that, leave me a comment down below of any beauty beauty products you would like to see me try on this channel. I'm so down to do whatever it is, as long as it doesn't require bleaching my skin, doing anything that's harmful to the environment or to animals, and to myself, of course, because I don't want to kill myself for a YouTube video. That's insane. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you're notified when I drop my next video. A lot of cool and fun things are coming up, so be sure to hit that bell next door so you're notified when I drop my next video. Follow me on my social medias. I will leave the info on the screen and linked down in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, for watching any of my videos, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye!